What's up, y'all? My name is Adam Juratovac and I'm a California attorney. In the past year and a half, I've created over 1,200 videos on TikTok, and a majority of those videos are related to California employment law. Now, there are the occasional dancing videos and other Bay Area style videos in there as well, but a lot of my videos have done with sharing general legal information about California law to make sure that everyone knows their rights. Now, because of my work with TikTok, I know I've been part of a couple accelerator programs that they've had. For example, the Live Accelerator program, the Learn on TikTok program, and most recently, I was noted as one of the AAPI creators on TikTok that they really tried to develop a community with the other TikTok creators. Now, I was very fortunate to join that group this year because it was my first year. And I just want to say, TikTok takes care of their creators, because look at what we have here. We have a, I don't even know how to explain this. We have really, really cool gifts and handouts and swag that TikTok was giving some of their Asian American Pacific Islander creators. Let us know, which is some of the AAPI creators on their platform, that they see us, they hear us, and they're also going to take care of us. So I wanted to create this video to unbox the gifts that we were sent from TikTok's creators, and I just want to say that right now these boxes are huge. I'd say that they're about 40 pounds total, and just looking at this top one, this is like 3 feet long by at least 24 inches. So they definitely can fit a lot into that box. This is a third box that we have, and this third box was given to a certain number of the AAPI creators on TikTok, because during TikTok's AAPI Heritage Month, they hosted a week where they had events for the AAPI creators, which also highlighted the other creators on the platform and gave us opportunities to get to know each other and get to know our community. Now, one thing that TikTok did in the community building aspect was they had a trivia game. Very similar to what everyone else was playing during COVID-19. They were playing Trivia Zoom, and I was fortunate enough to be on the winning team. And thanks to from My Healthy Dish, she brought in the gold for us, and because of that, TikTok sent us a little extra special gift right here. So I'm gonna unbox that at the very end. So, are y'all ready to open up these things? Let's do it. So the first thing we have up here, let's open this box one at a time. Oh, this one's heavier. So first, I really enjoy the box that they're giving us, because it says "Know us, let us know what's going on." And if you look at the box coloring, it says "We are API" at the bottom. I really like TikTok's presentation and appearance when they give out gifts, because they really go the extra mile when they're packaging it and presenting it, which makes all the difference, especially when they're trying to treat their creators well. So here we are, let's open it up. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, so I already opened up this box, so I knew what was in here, and you're gonna see the jacket is a little disheveled, but let's open it up. Let's read it first. It says, "Know us, from the east to the southeast, from the south to the west, from the Pacific to the islands. Our roots represent many, our names carry history. Hashtag we are API." And it has hashtag love from TikTok around here. It also has TikTok creators right there and TikTok. So this is actually pretty cool. So the first thing that we have that I want to show everyone is obviously the awesome jacket. So check this out. This is a nice bomber style jacket with the TikTok logo on there. Has nice orange on the inside. Who's this by? This is by Bobble House. So you got a cool jacket by Bobble House. And on the back, you can see it says, "Know us, we are API." It says, "Know us, we are API." Alright, we're gonna change it up a little bit. I just put on that Bobble House jacket, and first of all, it's like a really comfortable jacket. Like, I'm definitely not wearing it in California during the summertime, but I am going to be putting it on in the wintertime and, you know, when I just want to feel a little bit extra cool that weekend. But look at the back. It's really cool. So the next thing we have in this box, is called a bagu. Now, I think I saw that. So let me tell you a little bit about Bobble House. Bobble House was founded by two Chinese American women. Bobble House is the regenerative, genderless fashion multiverse that bridges East and West youth culture and is dedicated to expressing our inner absurdities. They were inspired by the sacred lotus flower that comes in many colors, signifying purity, enlightenment, and rebirth, and want to celebrate and uplift fellow API communities in every stage of growth. Thank you, Bobble House, for this awesome jacket. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be wearing it proudly. The next thing we have in this box is called a bagu. Now, a bagu, it's pretty cool. Ooh, wow! It says "We Are API" on it. It says "We Are API" and "We Are" on it, and it says TikTok. That's really, really cool. So I'll put that right there. Let me tell you a little bit about bagu. Bagu was launched in 2007 by Emily Sugihara. The idea was to create a reusable shopping bag that was more than just your standard cotton tote. The standard bagu is now found everywhere, a testament to their versatility and broad appeal. Thank you, bagu. I really appreciate the gift from the TikTok creator AAPI package, and I really appreciate it. I'll use it proudly. Thank you. No, this is really cool. I'm going to use this thing. And then one thing about these bags is you always have to fold them back up before they fit in their bag. So we'll see how often I can do that. But I'll be able to do it. So the next thing that we have in here are TikTok socks. Now these TikTok socks say "Know Us" as well, and it looks like there's a piano key on top. There's also stitching that says "We Are API" and TikTok. So I can't wait to wear these ones. And the last gift in this box is from Amisam. Oh wow, this is cool. I wonder if you're supposed to refrigerate this. I don't know. But this next thing we have is from Amisam. Now it looks like here we have some 2 packages where you're able to add certain ingredients and then make certain foods with the ingredients that they have in there. So what do we have? We have Southeast Asian Amisam sampler. It comes with Thai, Vietnamese, and some Filipino flavors. And then we also have the Amisam East Asian Amisam sampler, which comes with Japanese, Korean, and Chinese flavors. So I can't wait to try both of these out. Now let's put them back in here real quick before I read a little bit about it. Alright, it's Amisam. Oh, this is cool. It comes with like a little sticker too. Or a little postcard too. Alright, what's the Amisam starter? A pantry shortcut packed with all the sauces, aromatics, and seasonings you need to fire up restaurant quality dishes in under 30 minutes. Step 1, rip open the starter. Step 2, pour over protein and/or veggies. And Step 3, fire it up and enjoy. I like this. Now let's read the story about Amisam. We're Vanessa and Kim Pham, sisters and co-founders of Amisam. As the daughters of Vietnamese refugees, we started Amisam to showcase the multitudes in Asian cuisines and cultures. The name Amisam is rooted in the Vietnamese phrase Om Som, which means rowdy. We're so excited to team up with TikTok to celebrate Asian Pacific Islander Heritage Month and bring you proud, loud Asian flavors and stories. Vanessa and Kim. That's really cool. Thank you, Amisam and TikTok, for preparing this sampler pack and sending it over for Asian Pacific Islander Heritage Month. We really appreciate it. All right, let's keep this train going, baby. Now, TikTok also sent us this really cool card. I want to read it out loud. Thank you for sharing your stories, creativity, and heritage on TikTok. You are shaping the future of storytelling for generations to come. Contents included in this box were created in collaboration with API-owned brands in celebration of Asian and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. We're excited to continue celebrating the API creator community all year round. From TikTok creators, and we are API. That's awesome. That's really cool. The next box that we have is much heavier than the first box, so I'm really excited to see what's inside. Oh man, that's a heavy box. But as you can see, it also says "Know Us" on the front. I really like how TikTok had the "Know Us" as their theme. It was a really good idea, and just the color scheme that they have works really well. I like how both boxes are actually inverse color schemes, where this one is primarily black and teal and has a little purple and fuchsia in there. The other one is fuchsia and black and has a little bit of teal in there. So they're definitely inverses. So look at it. This still has the "We Are API" and TikTok creators on there. I'm still rocking the jacket because this thing feels pretty good actually. So let's open this up. You ready? All right. This one just says straight TikTok on it, and I'm a fan of that. And look at what it has. It has 6 things, and when I first opened this box, I was amazed, right? I'm like, first of all, I'm really excited that I'm receiving anything from anybody that isn't an angry email. And secondly, they're hooking it up, right? We got a bag, I got a jacket, and the first thing I saw in here was, all right, so the first thing I saw when we walked in here was this Sony headset right there. So I'm gonna open that up. Whoops. I tried. So check this out. The first thing we have in this box is a pair of Sony wireless noise So the first thing we are taking out of this box is the Sony wireless noise canceling stereo headset, the WH-1000 XM4. This is kind of ballin', I'm not gonna lie. This is pretty sweet. When I say pretty sweet, I mean really sweet. Thank you TikTok and thank you Sony, we really appreciate it. Now I'm gonna read a little bit about what Sony had to write to the API community. Alright, this is the letter that Sony sent us. Sony WH-1000 XM4, industry leading noise cancelling headphones. Happy AAPI Heritage Month. While we have a lot to celebrate this month, we also have a lot of important diversity topics to listen to and learn about to ensure we can be strong AAPI allies. That's why we appreciate powerful voices like yours. You inspire us daily with your creative and impactful content, featuring your own unique style and flair. As a Japanese company, we see you, we hear you, and we support you. To celebrate this month, we're sending you one of our favorite overhead headphones. Sony's intelligent, industry-leading noise-canceling WH-1000 XM4 headphones with premium sound elevate your listening experience with the ability to personalize and control everything you hear. Wow. We hope these headphones help you in your creative pursuits, your business needs, and your silent living room dance parties. Hope we're not the only ones who do this. If you have any questions, comments, or just want to connect, reach out to us anytime. Emily and Jen from the Sony Audio team. And that's really cool. Hey, thank you, Emily and Jen from the Sony Audio team. I really appreciate this gift, and I'm going to use it on the upcoming flights and trips that I've been neglecting due to COVID-19. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. The next thing we're going to open up is coming right out of here. Oh. There you go. Now, this is a big box, so let's check out what's inside. Doesn't sound like it's gonna break. What? Alright, so I kind of learned that the TikTok AAPI Heritage Month boxes had beauty care products or self-care products in there, and I didn't know what to expect. I was really excited though, because as a Korean American, I'm a big fan of Korean beauty products and just Asian beauty products in general. And I always moisturize my skin. That's something that every person should do. especially with the harsh UV rays that we take on every single day. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what's in the box. So first, this is from Youth to the People. If y'all have heard of Youth to the People, then this is what's in the box. So we have the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. Okay, it's a face wash. Got it. We got a face wash right here. And then we have a Super Clay Purify and Clear Powder Masks with niacinamide, kombucha, and BHA. It's a purifying mask right here, so that's another one. That's really cool. And then this one's heavy. It looks like a cream. Yep. We have a Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream with kale and spinach hyaluronic acid with moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer. Whoops, I want to make sure that these stay on the screen, right? And then we have 15% vitamin C and clean caffeine energy serum. So this is facial serum. I like this stuff. This stuff will keep me looking fresh forever. So I'm really excited to try actually all of these out. So thank you, Youth to the People. Thank you, TikTok, for sharing this awesome gear with me. I can't wait to use it. The next thing we're opening up is going to be the one front row and center. It just says beauty on it. But let's see what it has. It says that on there. Put it up there. Now this one seems a little bit more durable. Let's check it out. What? Alright, so we get a beauty duo here. We have the beauty resurfacing compound, and then the super hydrator. I wonder how you use that. To use, apply 1 to 2 pumps morning and night atop clean, dry skin, massage into gently onto face and neck. Let's try it out. Super hydrator. To use, see outside of box. Apply 1 or 2 bumps, morning and night, atop clean, dry skin. Let's try it out. 2 pumps. Super hydrator. I think I'm gonna need 3 to 4 pumps because my head's so big, but my face already feels refreshed. So thank you. What is this brand called? Is this brand just called Straight Beauty? It's really good. Let's see. All right. Meet the beauty duo. Your streamlined dream routine is here thanks to 2 high-performance formulas. First, the multitasking resurfacing compound tightens, exfoliates, renews, and resurfaces. Next, the Super Hydrator delivers active hydration for up to 48 hours, while skin also gets primed and repaired. Together, these dual powerhouse products deliver everything you need for bright and glowing skin in just 2 steps. Visible results emerge in just 3 to 6 days and less. That's huge. Now let's hear what they have to say. I'm so happy to share You Beauty with you, especially in honor of AAPI Heritage Month. In my culture, good skin means having self-love and a sense of confidence, and I believe everyone should experience self-love, confidence, and good skin. You Beauty isn't just an award-winning tech-driven skincare made with sustainability in mind. It's designed to simplify your routine and amplify your skin with real results. I can't wait for you to try You Beauty. So, thank you TikTok and thank you You Beauty for sending me these products. I really appreciate it and I can't wait to use it.